Hey guys, just want to do a side-by-side compared to a cheaper helmet and my new one. So, this is a traditional flip. Flimsy lens, basic starter helmet. It's really soft. And we're going to do a side-by-side on that too, about how actually thick it is versus the newer helmet that's a auto dark newer one. It's like they are quite substantially, almost double the thickness. More than twice the view space. And then if you look at simple, basic, push down, turn. This one actually has like a nice, really good padding on it. Doesn't have to push down, it's just nice, easy twist lock, and it sets. But then you have your test button, and it actually comes with the spare back lens, one spare back lens, and then there's a lens in front of the actual lens, and it comes with 2 extras of those, but you should just keep them clean. But this thing is like I said, this one, I do like that this one has a little bit thinner profile. This one's a little wider, but with an auto dark, 3 settings, solar powered, and it came with an extra battery. This thing is definitely much better than this one. And this I only paid, I believe it was somewhere around 25, maybe 30 bucks. This was a cheap helmet. It's like, I think I may have paid 8 or 9 bucks for it. This is just a sheer backup if things ever really just shit out.